My name is Rachel Bethea, and I am a senior here at the University of West Florida. I am majoring in global hospitality and tourism, and I do not have a minor. So for my major, I really want to start into event planning. I started this major not really knowing what I wanted to do, and then after some trial and error and some different internships, I decided that event planning was sort of something that I wanted to go into. I recently just got a position at the Blue Wahoos as the event operations assistant, and so I'll be there organizing events, anything like that when the Wahoos are not playing at the stadium. Through Dr. Tran's classes, I was in his class for front office operations, and then I was just in revenue management, and at the end of every semester he has the company Innisfree. They come and have some executives there, and we talk through our presentations and present them, and then we're able to network with them afterwards if we would like. So I've been able to meet some top executives in Pensacola through that. So for my revenue management class, we were able to take the ADR and RevPAR formulas, and we're able to look at those occupancy percentages and then give those to the Innisfree leaders in order to tell them what they can do to help raise those occupancy levels, sort of help their business. So for my internships, I've had to do two. So the first one I did in Key Largo. I worked with the Ocean Reef Club. I was a recreation coordinator, so I helped plan summer activities and kids camps, and it was super fun. And then directly from there, I went to Disney World and did the Disney College program and stayed there for about 6 months. So highly recommend if you haven't done the college program, it's super great. If you're interested in reaching out, my email is rlb89@students.uwf.edu. Thank you for listening to this Tuesday's testimonial. Bye.